In this video, I am going to show you how you can get free sound effects for your YouTube video. At first, go to Pixabay.com. Then choose the category, Sound Effects. Now, search for the sound effect you need. In our case, I'm searching for nice water splash sounds. Now listen to the different sound effects and try to find one that fits your video. Give yourself time for this process. If you found one, click on Download. Now you can use this effect in your video. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.